Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to merge two videos in Canva. So for this what you need to do is go to the Google Chrome browser, then you have to search for the Canva, and here you will get this page directly. And after you get this page, you have to click on the video option from here. Here you have to make sure that what size you are wanting currently. So for me I want the video landscape size here. Then after that it will take you to this page, and here if you click on the design, here you will get the ready-made videos that you can easily transfer from it, or you can also upload your videos from clicking on the uploads option from the left hand side. Here you will get the uploads option and if you click on it, you can easily upload the videos that you have currently in your system. So for me, I am not going to upload the video from my laptop. I will just simply put these ready-made videos in here. So here I will just click on the design, then I have to choose the design that I would like to use. Then I have to simply paste on the plus icon. Here you can see, and here you can see the thing is already getting pasted. After that, if I would like to add one more video, then you can choose another one. For example, I am going to choose this version and then simply drag on it, and after that you can easily just paste it to here. And if here you can see that all the two videos are getting merged. Here you can see the two videos are running smoothly, and if you simply could see that the videos have already getting merged. Now if you want to save it, then you have to click on the share option from here, then you can click on the download, and after that you can simply choose the version, that mp4 video, and the quality option is also here. Then you have to click on the download, and after that it will get download. So that is as simple as that to merge videos in Canva. So thank you very much for watching this video.